Understanding the phrase, rest my case, a guide for English learners. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of a common English phrase, rest my case. This expression is often used in everyday conversation, and understanding it will help you sound more like a native speaker. So, let's dive in. The phrase, rest my case, has its roots in legal terminology. In a courtroom, when a lawyer says they rest their case, it means they have finished presenting all their evidence and arguments. They believe they've provided enough proof to support their position and are now ready to let the judge or jury decide. This phrase has been adopted into everyday language to express a similar finality or conclusion in an argument or discussion. In modern English, rest my case is used in a variety of contexts, not just legal ones. It's typically employed when someone feels they have provided sufficient evidence or examples to prove their point. For instance, if you're arguing that a restaurant is great and then a friend admits they love eating there, you might say, I rest my case, to indicate that their admission supports your argument perfectly. 1. Debates. After showing you the statistics and expert opinions, I rest my case on why this policy should be changed. 2. Friendly banter. You just laughed at all my jokes. I rest my case that I'm a funny person. 3. Making a point. Look, even the author agrees with my interpretation of the novel. I rest my case. It's important to note that saying, rest my case, doesn't always mean the other person agrees with you. It's more about feeling confident in the evidence you've presented. Also, be cautious about using it in sensitive or serious discussions, as it can come off as dismissive or arrogant. That's all on the phrase, rest my case. We hope this video has been helpful in understanding this interesting expression and how you can use it effectively in English conversations. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to rest your case next time you've made your point clear. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next lesson.